Okay. Sorry, you guys. Had a little technical difficulties. But good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. Pray you guys are having a great day. Listen, I'm going to get straight to the point, all right? Because it's just been resonating in my heart for a few days now. Talking with some people that I know, some clients, and just talking with a few of my mentees, I've come to the realization that some of you just aren't in enough pain yet. What do you mean by that, Kenyon? Pain will make you move, okay? 2016, I'm on child support. Or end of 2016, beginning of 2017, I'm on child support. Not only am I on child support, but I'm basically homeless, jumping from one place to another. I'm wandering one place to another. Drug addict, let's be honest, smoking weed, popping pills, doing a lot. And in that moment, I had to make a decision. Is this what you're going to keep doing? Or are you going to change? Are you going to do something to change your situation? Okay? And at that moment, I realized that my pain tolerance had reached its cusp. Some of us, we are not seeing change in our life because your pain tolerance has not reached its cusp. Are you comfortable in that low space that you're in? Are you comfortable not having money? Are you comfortable going without all the time? If you are, then that explains why you're where you at, okay? You must change your thinking. You must change your mindset. And just like that, I lost everybody. Of course. Because like I said, it's what happens when you tell the truth. You must understand the reason why some of you are still where you are is because you're not in enough pain. You have to realize when you start thinking on ways to get out, your brain will actually help you figure out how to get out. Your brain will actually come up with ways on how you can accomplish and how you can solve the problem if you're thinking of ways to get out instead of thinking on the same things and having that cycle. We find ourselves in this cycle and we're saying I want money, but we're not doing anything to get money. Every day, you guys, I'm messaging people, okay? Every day I'm reaching out to somebody and I'm talking to them about our Drink to Shrink. I'm talking to them about our consulting and our marketing and branding help. I'm talking to them about my quail eggs and how I can sell to them and help them live a better lifestyle. You must open your mouth. You must get on your grind. You must learn how to fight. Okay, you guys? There's more ways than one to skin a cat. And that's our problem. We think that there's only one way to do a thing, okay? I just posted in the group. I literally made $50 doing nothing. Well, I watched some videos. But literally, Coinbase is offering you free money into the cryptocurrency space. Free money, okay? And let me tell you a little secret, what I did. Because I can only speak for myself. I made that $50 watching the videos, and then I cashed out 25 of it. So now I got 25 extra dollars that I worked nothing for. Learn how to elevate yourself. Learn how to leverage your money. Learn how to leverage yourself and leverage your business. Leverage your standpoint, okay? A lot of you, like I said, you're not in enough pain. Because if you were in pain, if you really didn't like where you were, you would change. I hear too many times excuses on why this and that and why this is that way. Honestly, it's our laziness. Honestly, it's our inaptitude. Honestly, it's us saying, I'll deal with it later. And when you put stuff off till later, it piles up. And instead of having one later to do, you have 6 or 5 or 7 things that you put off for later. Okay? What is your pain tolerance? What is your pain tolerance? Do you really think I can do this right now? Do you really think I'll be okay? You know, I didn't really get into budgeting until the pain of always having my money gone, until the pain of not being able to invest when opportunities came up. That pain became so great that I did something about it. A lot of you are in pain, but your pain tolerance is just too high that you're thinking that you're okay. You're thinking that you can make this. Yet you're slowly walking to a cliff. You're slowly walking and you're bleeding out and you're losing blood. And you keep telling yourself you can make it, you can do it. Oh yeah, and I'm good for encouraging, okay? Hear me out. I'm good for encouraging people. You can make it, all right? You can do it. But you got to do something different, okay? You've heard this before. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. And some of us are running around lunatics, okay? Because you're thinking that you're going to get something different from what you're doing. Well, I don't know what to do. I don't know why. I don't know what. Okay, come on. Let's be honest. Let's be real. Like I said, sometimes it's our own laziness. Sometimes it's us thinking that we got time when we really don't. And then when stuff bites us, stuff smacks us, when reality hits, we want to do the blame game. We want to play the victim. All right? I told you, $100. The minimum is $100 that you can invest into Forex, and you can start making money weekly. Weekly, you can start making money. Oh, no, that's a pyramid scheme. Oh, no, I don't trust that. Oh, no, y'all trying to get me, da-da-da. But then y'all the same ones asking people, how are they making money? I don't get it. You're the same ones asking people, how are you able to do this, that, and the third? Learn how to push yourself out of that fog. Push yourself out of that place of complacency. Push yourself beyond it, okay? Pain, irritation, that should be your fuel to help you to continue to strive, to help you to continue to move forward, to help you to continue to go after the things that you want. Some of you aren't reaching goals because you don't learn how to push past that pain. You don't learn how to press through and break through those barriers. And then you want to blame people because you're in the same spot. You want to be depressed and you want to tell people, oh, this, that, and the third. The Bible says what? We all have a way of escape. God gives us all a way of escape, whether you want to acknowledge it or not. You always have a way of escape. And if you're in a problem now, you made the bed, you got to lay in it. But the good thing is you don't have to stay there. So yes, you made the bed, you lay in it. Now get up and do something different. Make that bed and keep it moving. Okay, you guys? I really need you guys to understand that, okay? Some of you, like I said, you're not in enough pain. And that's why you're cool with living so mundane. That's why you're cool with living paycheck to paycheck. That's why you're cool with not taking risks and asking people and talking to people about your business and talking to people about your products and your services. You're not in enough pain. If the pain was great, you'd really move. All right? I know I had to break out the whip today, you guys, but have a great Friday. Once again, you can make money so many ways. Excuse me. You can make money so many different ways. Set up systems and have a business. You can do $100 a day in the health and wellness industry like I am. We're in a $4 trillion business. $4 trillion industry. Health and wellness. I'm helping people, and I do not live without. Why? Because people always are worrying about their health. People are always worrying about their health. And if I have a slow week with that, I have my investments. If I have a slow week with that, I mean, I don't. But if I have a slow week with that, I have Coinbase. I have side hustles. I have my farm. Okay, you guys? What are you going to do to invoke the change in your life? All right. Have a great day. If you want to get connected, if you want to learn on how you can make money and how you can establish a daily guaranteed budget for yourself of you're going to make this amount every day, or you're going to make this amount every 2 days or every week. You got to give yourself goals. Give yourself things to aspire after and fight like your life depends on it. All right? Have a great day. Have a great Friday. I'm excited. I'm going to North Carolina next weekend. Or not next week. This weekend. Be there for a week. See my family. Go fishing. It's 70 degrees down there. I'm about to go jet skiing, have some fun. And I want you guys to have fun too. Enjoy your life. Let's not be so bogged down. Let's get ourselves out of that pain. And let's evaluate, okay? Have a good day.